Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm in Canada at the moment, and we had a snowstorm last night, and all of this was just white. I posted another video of that, and apparently, this is something you have to do. Everybody has to clear the snow from their walkways and their driveways. It's actually a legal requirement. If somebody slips and falls on your driveway or on your walkway, they can sue you. You can be held liable. So as you can see, pretty much everyone has cleared their driveways, and they drop salt on the pavement, so which stops ice from solidifying there. But yeah, that's something you have to do. Crazy. Again, some of the things we take for granted in Australia. So this is everyone's morning here today. Everybody's having to clear their driveways. Look at the snow. It's like everybody's got their own personal little mountain in front of their house.